Hey guys, welcome back to Benford's Life, and today I am going to be decorating my coffee bar, and here are some of the things that I'm going to be using. So this is some of the things I'm going to be using, and this is the space that I am working with. So there's not really much going on, and that's because I actually just put this coffee bar together. There was nothing in this space, so I created a coffee bar in this space, and this is the first time I really get to decorate it, and so we're going to be putting fall stuff up. Just a rundown of where I got stuff to create the coffee bar. I got this shelf on Amazon. I got these little baskets from Target, and I already had my Keurig. I already had most of these white coffee mugs, but I did pick these three in the middle up from Dollar Tree. And then I got this galvanized where did I get this from? And I got this from Walmart a while back, and I got this from the Goodwill, and all the other stuff I just had. Down here is where I keep the K-pods. I could put it under here, but I moved it down there because I just thought it would give me more space to decorate with. So yeah, so if you want to see how this comes together, then just keep on watching. And so this is some of the stuff that I'm going to be putting on here. I got this from Big Lots, and I like how it closes, and then or you could leave it open. I got this from Hobby Lobby. I picked this up from Dollar Tree, this up from Dollar Tree. This came from Walmart. I already had these from last year, but I got them at Target from the dollar spot. These little clip-on pumpkins came from the Dollar Tree, and we got this from Hobby Lobby, as well as this coffee mug, and it says "I love fall most of all." And I picked up this sign from Hobby Lobby. This tin can came from Walmart. I'm gonna switch these out for some fall florals, but these little flowers came from Walmart as well. Okay, so let's get started with this coffee bar. Okay guys, that's it for my fall coffee bar. I hope you enjoyed watching me decorate. Also, I hope it gave you some ideas for your own coffee bar, and please give this video a thumbs up. It will help our channel out greatly, and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and we will catch you guys in the next video.